I'm Dr. Ranjini Raghavan, Senior Consultant ENT Surgeon, Sunrise Hospital, Cochin. You are watching me on webindia123.com. Snoring is something that I'm sure everyone must have experienced at some time or the other. I'm sure it's very uncomfortable for both the person who experiences the snoring and the discomfort caused to the others and the resulting feeling of embarrassment by the snorer. So what exactly causes snoring? Now, if you look at this is a picture of a man. This is his nose. This is the mouth with the tongue inside, and this is the roof of the mouth. So this small thing is the small projection which we call as the uvula, which you can see when you open the mouth and look inside. Now, these factors are those that affect the snoring. Now, normally when we breathe,